Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen takes a look at Dermatosis, Papulosa, Nigra-A, DPN.
Dermatosis papulosa nigra is a skin condition that causes small, dark, or skin-colored bumps, usually on the face, neck, and upper body. Some people get just a few bumps, while others may have many over large areas.
People come in all the time, Doc, I have these warts all over my face, my back, my neck. How can I get rid of it? And I'm like, first of all, these are not warts. Warts are contagious. We call them colloquially warts, other areas call them moles. And essentially, the actual medical term is Dermatosis papulosa nigra. These are actually inherited and usually see at least one person in each generation with them, and the amount that you develop is different from person to person.
DPN mostly affects people of African and Asian descent and often runs in families. It usually happens with aging, but other factors can also trigger it.
We know that persons see a lot of them come up when they're pregnant, so they are hormonally responsive. If I see a patient comes in with a lot of them popping up in a short period of time, like within a 2 or 3 month period, then I have to wonder if they have a hormonal problem as well and start to do blood tests to check, make sure that everything is okay with them. They also come up when persons go on contraceptive pills, and they usually regress after they have the baby or come off the contraceptive pill. These are not contagious.
DPN can be diagnosed by a doctor just by looking, or usually doesn't need tests. Treatment isn't usually needed, but bumps can be removed if they itch or bother you.
So how we treat them, we normally burn them off with electricity, and this is called electrodesiccation or electrocautery. And essentially what we do is to put on a numbing cream for about an hour or so, and we use electricity. It feels like little tiny stinging shocks. Some people don't feel anything, some people do still feel something. And what happens is that they become swollen and a little bit red right after the procedure.
The scab will fall off within a week or two, after which you'll get a light or dark colored skin. But don't worry, your skin will go back to normal right after that. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.